A mouse jiggler is a handy tool for keeping your computer awake and active without manual input. Whether you're avoiding timeouts during presentations, preventing sleep mode during long downloads, or simulating activity for remote work needs, these devices are both practical and versatile. Here are the top 5 mouse jigglers that combine functionality, ease of use, and reliability to ensure uninterrupted productivity. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Vaydeer FM2081 Mouse Jiggler. The Vaydeer Mouse Jiggler is not just another gadget, it's a productivity lifesaver. It's 100% undetectable by IT departments, meaning you can keep your computer active without triggering any suspicious alarms. No software installation required. It simulates real physical mouse movement, making it invisible to hardware scans. One of my favorite features? The simply on/off switch. No more wasting time plugging and unplugging. Just press the button, place your mouse sensor over the spinning wheel, and you're good to go. Easy, efficient, and stress-free. The Vaydeer gives you 2 flexible power options. Use the included power adapter or your computer's USB port. Both work seamlessly and remain undetectable by your company's IT systems. It's all about convenience and discretion. Whether you're working from home, giving a presentation, or just stepping away during a gaming session, the Vaydeer Mouse Jiggler has you covered. It's compatible with most operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac. The Vaydeer FM2081 features a 2024 upgraded ultra-silent motor, operating at under 45 dB. That's quieter than a whisper, so you can stay productive without any annoying noise. The Vaydeer Mouse Jiggler is as safe as it is effective. Plus, it's backed by 6 years of R&D. Have a question? Their customer service team is available 24/7 to ensure you're 100% satisfied. Looking for the perfect gift for your colleagues? The Vaydeer Mouse Jiggler is thoughtful, practical, and sure to impress. It's especially great for the holiday season. Pros: versatile power options, silent operation, reliable and secure, and undetectable. Cons: potential misuse and ethical considerations. Number 4. Jakcom Mouse Jiggler. The Jakcom Mouse Jiggler is designed to keep your computer awake and active, effortlessly. No more annoying timeouts, no more screen locks. It's as easy as plug, play, and let it do its thing. Let's talk about what makes this mouse jiggler truly special. First off, check out this ultra-slim design. It's only 16.5 millimeters thick and weighs just 122 grams. That means it's compact, lightweight, and perfect for any desk setup, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. And don't let its size fool you. It's powered by an upgraded, high-performance motor that's super quiet and completely undetectable. Your coworkers won't hear a thing, and your computer will stay awake, no questions asked. Here's a feature I absolutely love: the built-in timers. With just one click, you can set the mouse jiggler to run for 0.5, 1, 2, or 4 hours. Each light represents a specific time interval, so you always know how long it's running. Once the countdown ends, the turntable stops automatically. It's a simple, efficient, and hands-free solution for your productivity needs. Setting it up is as easy as it gets. Just plug it into any USB port or a 5V adapter. No software, no Bluetooth pairing, no hassle. Just plug, and you're good to go. And how cool are these lights? The Jakcom Mouse Jiggler comes with 7 dynamic breathing lights that can elevate your desk aesthetic. Want to turn them off? Just press and hold the button for 3 seconds. It's your desk, your style. Pros: ultra-slim and quiet design, dynamic lighting, reliable mouse movement, flexible timers. Cons: limited motion range and power source requirement. Number 3. Alloyseed Mouse Jiggler. First off, what sets the Alloyseed Mouse Jiggler apart? It's non-detectable and completely safe. Unlike software-based solutions, this device uses mechanical movement to mimic real mouse actions. No logs, no trails, no worries. It even pauses its motion randomly to keep things extra realistic. Your PC won't even know it's there. The Alloyseed is built with a super silent structure, featuring a noise-free motor and non-contact mouse turntable. Plus, silicone pads on the base ensure it stays put and won't transfer vibrations to your desk. Now, let's talk about style. This isn't just functional, it's a statement piece for your desk. The Alloyseed features a unique, textured design with an RGB lighting system. Choose from 9 stunning colors, or let the lights breathe and flow to create the perfect ambience. And don't worry, there's a memory function, so your settings are saved every time. Need it to run for a specific time? The Alloyseed's unique timing function has you covered. Select timers ranging from 30 minutes to 4 hours with just a press of a button. The green indicators make it easy to track your settings at a glance. Best of all? The Alloyseed mouse jiggler is completely plug and play. No drivers, no software, just instant compatibility with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android. Power it up through any USB port, and you're ready to go. From keeping your screen awake to enhancing your workspace with style and convenience, the Alloyseed mouse jiggler is more than a tool, it's a game changer. Whether you're working, streaming, or simply stepping away, this little gadget ensures your workflow never misses a beat. Pros: non-detectable and safe, super silent, timer function, plug and play. Cons: reliance on USB power, potential for detection. Number 2. Starviky Dual Turntable Mouse Jiggler. Unlike traditional mouse jigglers, the Starviky brings innovation to your workspace with its mixed physical dual turntable design. Watch as the twin turntables rotate at optimal speed, simulating realistic 360-degree mouse movements, no software needed. The secret? The trajectory rando technology. Both turntables rotate in opposite directions, ensuring completely random and free movement. The result? A natural, undetectable mouse movement pattern every time. Getting started is a breeze. Simply plug it in, press the on, off button, and adjust the interval time between 5 to 90 seconds with just a tap. Whether you're stepping away for a quick coffee break or an extended meeting, Starviky has you covered. And the best part? It's whisper quiet and 100% undetectable. Using pure physics, the Starviky keeps your workflow uninterrupted while staying completely under the radar. Compatible with almost all optical mice, wired or wireless, this device is your ultimate productivity companion. It's designed to fit seamlessly into any setup. Pros: undetectable, random movement, adjustable timer, quiet operation. Cons: limited functionality and ethical concerns. Number 1. Vaydeer Ultra-Slim Mouse Jiggler. Meet the upgraded Ultra-Slim design, just 17.3 mm thick and weighing only 105 grams. It's compact, lightweight, and blends perfectly into your workspace. Plus, it's incredibly portable, ideal for professionals on the go. Designed for realistic random mouse movement, the Vaydeer mouse jiggler mimics human-like activity to keep your system active. It's 100% undetectable, so you can plug it in and forget about it. Your secret is safe. Take full control with adjustable interval settings. Choose from 4 stages: 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 3 minutes, or a 160-second random auto start mode. Need a quick break or a long pause? Simply press the switch button and let it do the rest. Say goodbye to distracting noises. The ultra-quiet micro motor developed by the Vaydeer team ensures noiseless operation, so you can stay focused and undisturbed. And the best part? It's super easy to use. No software, no drivers, just plug it in, and you're good to go. Compatible with both Windows and Mac, it's a lifesaver for any setup. Pros: ultra-slim and lightweight design, adjustable interval timer, noiseless operation, wide compatibility. Cons: limited customization options and dependency on physical connection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.